Nyamira chiskuru nigo chitatigirima gegaso gochengera amachi bwayo amaya awase skuru ya St Albert Mokomoni yabage gochengera emini yabo ya 353 asomoroki wa mutangani abwate maxi 416 na wege skuru ya Our Lady of Mercy bara bachengera emini ya 345 egati ye chinde chinyinge nigaboro kyabanene kurwase chiskuru echo babiri bakuru kuboria gochiase abaibori agosira umuroberio CBC na kugania bali batabete bagokore byasamatemayo gutakwa moyo korende kubeka omokyo muri kitkorase county ya Nyamira job mangi na mangi
nigo chisukuru chigendrete gochengera ogokora buya ase amatemo a klasi sano na isato KCP yo mwakoyo Eskuru ya St Albert Mokomoni egotoka imebunge ya borabu nigo batwara omochengo omonene magayokonyora emini ya 349 Kennedy Moseti no mworokia omonene weskuru eyo
400 and above. We had 3 students, and in fact our first student got 416 marks, followed by 407. Our parents are really coordinated as well in paying school fees, and the community as a whole cannot be forgotten on what they are doing.
Asebasaba ogosira kurwase abaraina basamali abaya elindego kinia ekerengo geskuru eyo nakogendra gokora buya.
Like we could have the challenge of physical facilities. Remember, we have now gone to an era of CBC. We could so much wish that our leaders also give us some support. Our honorable members, our MCA.
Eskuru ya Our Lady of Mercy Ibara boarding omwano mutangani niga bwata max chimyenye na isano asebanyora emini ya 345 omubaru abana nigolenge emya na batano nomo Sister Lucy gesare no mworokia omonene weskuru eyo
mpiya tokalete abana balenge emya na batano no yomo abana abaiga bonsi mbayitete omutangani abwate chiminye na isano ogwanja Nyasaye nakobeka okwege na Nyasaye nagotwara umusingi omuyasi Nyasaye norongo changioli abana bokora biya
ensemo yokwera ku muroberio 0844 nogochakiwa wa CBC aya naro babwate
igongo semi abayiboli baitonga tiga bakora umukyo manene eli banyare goikerania biribiraganiriwe asomuroberio yoiga o CBC ekero gochaka okorrekana ngane gento gitikere komu lakini gochibosio nabo bigocha kororoba
ensemo ya borokyo bakolete buya mborokia omogoko omonene ase gokora buya na kurwa obobisi bwo gokora buya.
Secrets behind my performance was the support that we got from our teachers, parents, and also not forgetting the community.
I got 395 in my KCP examination. Behind my performance is the commitment.
I got 407 marks in my KCP exams. The secrets behind my performance is the support from the teachers and also having respect.
Abayiboli mbagokera gokorobya kwa bana babo na kuiraneria abali mumbiya mono.
From previous years they have been doing well, but this year they have done wonderfully.
These teachers are very much dedicated. I was shocked by teachers scoring almost all A's in mathematics, and mathematics is the subject which students fear most.
Abana batakolete buya mbase emigwamba kwa omoyo asangencho amatemu aya talia.
Nami pia nataka kusema ya kwamba kwa wale ambao hawakufanya vyema vizuri katika mtihani wao si mwisho wa maisha na wanaweza kufanya vyema hapo mbeleni. Huwa tunaona ya kwamba kuna wengine ambao wanaenda shule ya upili wakiwa na alama.
Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.